Hello, runners. We are here at Bowling Park. It is rainy, wet outside.
Cold and windy.
Yeah, it's 44 out. Not too bad for some of you in some areas. But rain or shine, we've got to train. And we've already, I have missed a few days, so there's no option. We have to run. So we'll take you with us on this rainy run. It's pretty deserted out here.
Yeah.
There's like another car pulled up, but there's basically one car here besides us. So let's run in the rain. Under 28 beats per minute. Gotta get the heart rate up.
Jeremy! Wave at everyone! I'll tell you right now, it's cold. I have 5 layers on and thick gloves.